My lord. Okay, let's go start. I will share after job. Okay, this one is after job. It's very crazy overgrown, very crazy, but it's coming very nice. I think new building coming here is 500 square meter. Yeah, you see, it's come very nice, cut it good, and some hill in the middle, and lot of rubbish, but it's cut it done nice. It's very good. It's very good. It's very good. It's very crazy overgrown in that area. Yeah. And the pond is there under. You see some same as a pond, but it's crazy job done here. It's fully crazy, professional. Okay, by the way, happy customer and nice job. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye now.